What's up, guys? Julian here from jlewistrading.com, and today's trade of the day is RCON. This is a position that we put on early on in today's session. It was nice to be back after yesterday's market being closed because of MLK Day, and today we wanted to just get right back at it, and RCON was the low float mover that was being talked about. This is what we were putting out on Twitter this morning. If you're not following, we are at Lewis Trading is the Twitter handle, and we were chatting about this. I was mentioning to everybody out there in the Twitter sphere to watch this stock because it's up and coming. This thing out of the gate just bumped real nice, pulled back up below all of its moving averages, and then started to sort of peak a little bit right through here, creating this little pivot. And essentially all we were doing was just looking to create some trend line resistance right through here and looking for an entry point, and we did just that. We were actually triggered into this position right through here at about $3, and as soon as this thing started to move, check this out. As soon as it broke that area and confirmed that it was moving at around $3, it trended sideways for a minute, and then this thing just took right off. At one point, this stock was actually trading up 130%, I believe, and reached a intraday high of over $5. It was a solid move. I did not trade it up until this point. Generally speaking, what I do is I look at the previous high a day as a primary target. In this case, 339, which we hit. This thing kept moving up, and we just started sort of trailing our stops, candle after candle after candle. It was a great trade. We put this out there on Twitter. Hopefully, a lot of people were watching this and trading it with the J. Lewis Trading team. I do know that the J. Lewis Trading members that are trading independently off of our trading strategy did exceptionally well on this trade, and they know based on our scanner that we're given these fantastic opportunities every single session, and it's really about quality versus quantity. If you have any questions about this trade or any of our past trades, feel free to reach out. We're at info@jlewistrading.com. You can visit our website at www.jlewistrading.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. We're always putting out this free content for you guys. And in the description box below, there's actually a free gift that's been extremely popular and successful, which is the 7 steps that successful traders take before trading. If you have not gotten that free gift from the J. Lewis Trading team, again, just in the description box below, it's right there. We've offered a link. Hit that link, sign up, get that free video series that we've put together. And again, if you have any questions, I'm at info@jlewistrading.com.